Hi, in this short video, I will quickly explain to you now how to deal with the so-called empty flower on my cucumbers. And I will also tell you where it comes from, what it is needed for, and on which cucumbers it mainly manifests itself. Since I'm growing in my greenhouse in hybrid cucumbers that have predominantly female flowers, I somehow miraculously got a couple of varietal cucumbers, which actually have the so-called empty flower. And why the so-called barren? Yes, because cucumbers have two types of flower. This is the male type of flower. You see, he immediately grows on a stick, does not have a baby cucumber. But on the same plant, such a flower grows, it is female. And there is a baby cucumber here. As you can see, here's another one that isn't even blooming yet. And actually these male flowers are pollinators, these female ones. And basically this feature is manifested on varietal cucumbers. Unlike, for example, hybrids, which grow in my greenhouse. There are a lot of cucumbers growing in each sinus, all of them are of the female type. And there is no problem with such cucumbers in the greenhouse. Because there is no natural pollinator here, it's the wind, or bees. And note that the entire central stem is hung with male flowers. Empty flowers, and they begin to bloom in the first place. What the plant needs it for? It first lays a lot of male flowers in order to create as much pollen as possible. So that then women's flowers, when they begin to open, they pollinated quickly, and cucumbers began to call. Well, actually what you need to do if you notice that your cucumbers also lay mostly male flowers, then you need to carry out the following formulation. I noticed laid on my cucumbers in the greenhouse and pinch the tops somewhere at a height of 5 feet. And if you grow in the open ground, too, on a trellis, then you need to pinch a little earlier, approximately somewhere here. And this is a height from the ground of about 1 yard. This will accelerate the formation and ripening of fruits, since there will be enough pollen on such a stem. And here in the sinuses of the internodes, suckers will grow on which there will be a harvest. As you can see, here is a sucker. Mostly female flowers grow here. Accordingly, there will be a lot of harvest. This is the first way to make your cucumbers bear fruit. And also pay attention to the second option. Here I did a little differently. This method is great for greenhouses. And for trellises. I also pinched the top on my cucumbers, at a height of 5 feet, so that there would be as many flowers as possible, because I grow in a greenhouse, but I left a lot of suckers at the bottom. And now I'm going to lead these suckers up the wire. Here's the wire. I'll tie it up when they grow up to it. And accordingly, on these stems, suckers, I will have the main crop of cucumbers. You see, the suckers are hung with female flowers with a harvest. Therefore, my friends, my advice to you, if you have already planted varietal seeds, or there was such a problem as mine, varietal cucumbers were caught in a pack with hybrids, I got to a regrading, then we nightly do a pinch. We do not remove male flowers in any case. This is pollination, and we grow the whole crop on suckers. But if next year you don't want to bother with this, buy hybrids, there is no such problem on hybrids. All the flowers are female and the harvest is laid mainly on the central stem, and you can also leave 2 cucumbers on the suckers to further increase your harvest. Therefore, friends to whom the information from this video was useful, be sure to like it. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel, in order not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day. See you in the new videos.